It's like slime.
Ew! Ew! What is it? Slimy! Wow!
Fun with that.
Go.
I'll make some slime. I
Whoa! Look at that. What color is that?
Blue.
That is blue glue.
Blue.
Blue glue. Keep pouring it.
You know what I'm making?
What are you making?
I'm making a doo-doo.
A doo-doo? That's gonna be slime.
Doo-doo.
Okay, keep it in the bowl.
Okay, that looks good.
That looks good.
And then we'll do the dark one.
You gonna do the other one too?
Yeah, baby.
All right. Okay. Whoa!
It's like a pig.
Like a pig. That's making all kinds of noise, isn't it? Okay, now you're gonna put that one in. What is that?
It's cornstarch.
You're gonna put some cornstarch in.
Yeah, baby.
Oh wow.
Let's go mix it. I want to mix.
Okay, mix it up.
Mix it all up.
Mix.
Okay, be careful. Keep it in the bowl.
I do it.
Okay, keep it in the bowl. Whoa.
That's what so much fun.
Is it fun?
Well, my boy's gonna do this.
I don't know. We'll do something with that in a minute.
Can I see?
Ooh, that looks slime. Oh, I mix it. Maybe that's good. What is it?
Oh, don't pour it. Be careful.
What is it?
It's contact solution.
I do it.
Pour it in.
There you go. Now mix it up.
Okay, mix it up.
Okay, mix it up.
Mix.
Mix. Oh, keep mixing it really good.
You gotta real mix it.
Mix it really good.
It's like cornstarch.
Let me see real quick.
You gotta mix it really good.
Yeah, baby. We did this. This. Ah. Sticky.
Like this.
Whoa.
Bubble.
Ooh, it's getting slimy, huh? Let me see. Let me see it. Wow, it's slimy. Whoa, look at me. Look at me. Whoa, you're crazy. Mix it up. There you go. Get crazy, mix it up. There it goes. Let me see your crazy face. Whoa. You're nuts.
I'm mixing.
Keep mixing.
I'm mixing food.
Mix it up. Mix it up.
Ooh, that looks good.
It does look good.
What did this?
Do what?
This white thing.
We already did that one. Yeah, come on. What does it feel like?
It's like slime.
Ew! Ew! What is it? Slimy! Wow! Whoa, let me see. Pull it up.
That's so much.
Oh, that's gross. Let me see it.
You know what I like?
What?
It's like a zebra face, like a big booger punk.
A big booger punk?
Yeah.
That is gross.
Look.
Look at it. It looks like a booger snot. Ew, it's gross. It's slimy. Let's see it.
Yeah, high five.
No, I'm not gonna give you a high five. That's gross. Is it sticking to your hands?
Yeah, baby.
Whoa. Whoa, look at that face.
Oh, it's so slimy.
Man.
My pen.
Whoa, it, Dad? Oh! Oh, look at you! It went everywhere! Oh, that's gross.
Get out. Okay, I want. Okay.
What color is that?
A purple and green. Blue monkey.
Okay, bud, do it again. Ew! That's disgusting.
You're laughing?
Yeah, that's gross.
Yeah.
Why'd you do that?
Because I did.
Why did you do it?
Ew, ew, ew. Hold on. Ew. It's like a fart.
Yeah, that's a stinky.
Like this.
Let's hear it. What the heck is going on? Does it stink?
No, let me smell it.
No.
It smells like bitter.
Here, let me smell it.
No.
I'll smell it. Mmm. What color is that one?
This is red and this is blue.
Yes. What color is the little guy?
What guy? Yellow. He got choky in my mouth. Get out my fingers, you monkey bun. It doesn't work. Let's go try again.
That's so funny.